Good evening, everyone. I'm Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Nothing Phone 3 speculation, Samsung Galaxy Ring pricing and subscription, Spotify Mix font launch, Sonos Ace headphones launch, Photonics Bubble Square launch, Microsoft Build 2024 Fee 3 model expansion, Satya Nadella's perspective on AI humanization, and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below, and don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. CEO Carl Pei shared an image hinting at the development of a new Nothing phone model on X. The image suggests slight design alteration from previous models, notably featuring a new button. Speculations around the purpose of the additional button speculated to function as an action button for customizable shortcuts. Similar to previous models, the phone retains the power button on the right side and volume keys on the left. Samsung's official unveiling of the Galaxy Ring in February left many details undisclosed, including its pricing and subscription model. Tipster Yogesh Brah reports that the US pricing will range from $300 to $350, while in India it's anticipated to be around Rs 35,000. A monthly subscription to Samsung Health priced under $10 is speculated to accompany the device. It's unclear whether this subscription will be mandatory or optional for users. Spotify introduces its own font, Spotify Mix, aimed at enhancing the company's visual identity. Spotify Mix is a sans serif typeface designed in collaboration with Dynamo Typefaces, developed in partnership with Dynamo Typefaces, known for their work with major brands like Burberry, Discord, and Nike. Sans serif fonts like Spotify Mix offer simplicity and readability, making them popular among brands and accessible across devices. Sonos introduces its first ever headphones, Sonos Ace, designed for comfort and sustainability. The headphones feature lightweight materials, soft memory foam, and vegan leather for comfort, built with durable and sustainable materials, including replaceable ear cushions and a travel case crafted from recycled plastic bottles. The headphones offer intuitive controls of fold flat design and wear detection for energy efficient usage. Photonics introduces the Bubble Square, a compact wireless keyboard facilitating mobile workspace creation designed for travelers and professionals. The Bubble Square transforms smartphone or tablet into fully functional workstations. Compact and lightweight, the keyboard offers unmatched portability, fitting snugly in bags or pockets. Crafted from durable ABS materials, ensuring longevity and reliability during travel and daily use. Microsoft announces new additions to the Fee 3 family of small open models at Microsoft Build 2024. Introduces Fee 3 Vision, a multimodal model combining language and vision capabilities. Fee 3 Small and Fee 3 Medium, previously announced, are now available on Microsoft Azure for developers. Fee 3 Mini and Fee 3 Medium are also accessible through Azure AI's model as a service offering. Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella's recent remark contribute to the ongoing debate within the tech industry regarding the humanization of AI services. Nadella expresses discomfort with anthropomorphizing AI, viewing it more as a tool than a human-like entity. He believes AI should be viewed as a tool rather than assigning human-like characteristics to it. Nadella's stance reflects differing viewpoints within the industry regarding AI engagement and human interaction. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news.
नमस्ते दोस्तों, मैं विघ्नेश, आपका डिजिटल दोस्त। आज हम एबीसी ऑफ बिल्डिंग ऑनलाइन बिजनेस सीरीज के अंदर एक्सप्लोर करेंगे एफ और फेसबुक एड्स एंड फाइवर। ये दो टूल्स आपके बिजनेस को ग्रो और थ्राइव करने में हेल्प करते हैं। फेसबुक एड दोस्तों एक पावरफुल प्लेटफॉर्म है जो आपको अपने टारगेट ऑडियंस तक रीच करने में हेल्प करता है। इसमें प्रिसाइज टारगेटिंग एड को सेट कर सकते हैं यूजिंग फिल्टर्स एज डेमोग्राफिक्स, इंटरेस्ट और जेंडर। इससे आपका ब्रांड अवेयरनेस और सेल्स बूस्ट कर सकते हैं। और अब बात करते हैं फाइवर की, एक वर्सेटाइल प्लेटफॉर्म जहां आपको मिलते हैं फ्रीलांसर्स अपनी हर सर्विसेज के लिए। चाहे ग्राफिक डिजाइन हो या कंटेंट राइटिंग या फिर वेब डेवलपमेंट, फाइवर आपको प्रोवाइड कराता है क्वालिटी सर्विसेज, वो भी बजट फ्रेंडली प्राइसेस पर। तो दोस्तों, आज के एपिसोड में देखिए हमने फाइवर और फेसबुक एड के कुछ खास फीचर। एफ से होता है फीडबैक। हम चाहते हैं कमेंट सेक्शन के अंदर आप हमें फीडबैक दें और कुछ टूल्स हो जो आप चाहते हैं हम कवर करें, उन्हें हमें बताएं। मिलते हैं अगले एपिसोड में अल्फाबेट जी के साथ।